What up, boys? Back in action. We're back in the action. Alright, man, so now I gotta start to talk quiet for a second. So, title, you see it, it's not clickbait, boys, it actually happened. You can tell by the smile on my face, I'm super stoked. Now, I just wanted to do an announcement video with you guys, but like, there's more potential in this video. So what I was thinking is, you guys know that cameraman Ian, the cameraman on this channel, lives downstairs. He's been with me through this whole process, knowing that I was about to get engaged to my girlfriend, which just happened this past weekend, but he didn't know when I was actually gonna get engaged to her. I haven't told anyone that. It's like even a surprise to Ian, my best friend, downstairs. So anyway, I thought while starting this video, we'd get him up for this one and get his reaction that I finally did it. But first, we gotta bust his balls a little bit and frickin' trick up stuff, boys. Welcome to the channel again. Don't feel bad for Ian. We do this all the time, boys. Ian!
Yeah?
Upstairs, now.
But why?
We have to do an announcement. You said something stupid on a video apparently and people are super pissed.
Wait, what? What?
Yeah. It's not that bad, bro, but we actually have to confront this now.
Okay.
Do you have time?
Yeah, no.
Were you in the middle of anything? You're good?
No.
Don't panic too much, bro. It's not that bad, but Jesus, man.
What is it?
I don't know. Come upstairs and talk to me. Yeah, that's not good, bro.
No?
No. Yeah, I got the camera ready right there. It's not bad, bro. It's like cat and dog type stuff. Like, imagine if you said, like, it's not on, don't worry. Imagine if you said, like, you like cats more than dogs. People are mad because you like dogs more than cats or something like that. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I didn't think you said anything stupid either. People are pissed, so we're gonna have to freaking tell them.
Okay, but what is it though? Like,
well,
what did I say?
I'll tell you on camera. It'll be more funny if I tell you on camera and then you react. I don't know.
Okay.
Either way, you might be but we'll see. So let's just get it over with, bro. It'll be fine. Like, actually, don't worry. Just listen. It's all gonna be good.
I'm getting kind of worried, man.
Really? Okay. Sorry, I'm being mean, bro. It's a little bit of a prank. I've got kind of a cool announcement. I needed you up for the video. Bro, what did you do to me the other day? You really pranked me really bad.
Yeah,
I can't even remember.
Get back at you for pranking me.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Anyway, boys, back in action.
I finally got that last cricket, by the way. It took me a week.
Put crickets in his room, if you guys didn't know. I fell and slipped, actually, and they all fell.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you admitted it for a second.
I swear to God, that's how that happened. I fell down the stairs.
Right.
And rolled into the room. You got the last one out?
Well,
gotta put more in there,
eventually. Oh, man, you freaked me out for a second there.
Okay, so I got an announcement for the boys. You know how you've been like super cool with me in the past like months about like a cool project I had going? Maybe the biggest project of my life.
Oh, you mean you did it? You finally did it?
We did it, bro.
Oh, congratulations, man. Oh, so that's why you had to get new clothes and a haircut before last weekend.
I just told the boys, I didn't tell you when it was happening, but you were there throughout the whole process.
Alright, come on, man, we gotta get some shots or something.
Oh, well, we'll wait till after, so I gotta keep that door closed. Alright, yeah, boys, the announcement. Sorry for all the inactivity on this channel for the past literal week. I'm not the planner, my girlfriend's the planner.
Yeah, definitely. This guy does not plan anything.
Boys, we're engaged, both of us, actually. I don't know how to do a real life video of like being serious. Should I like...
No, you really don't. Like, even now, you can't be.
Yeah. Anyway, my girlfriend's over at the masseuse right now, getting a massage from a jacked guy.
You really can't keep it serious.
No, I can't. She's getting her hair done, getting pampered up. It's actually her birthday today. Anyway, there's the announcement. Super stoked about it. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, and
really,
I just want to say I'm really proud of you. Like, congratulations.
Thank you.
So would this be a bad time to ask for likes and comments?
It's actually a great time. Good thoughts.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
One thing I want to say, if you guys want a ring reveal, I know you guys like Julie on this channel, maybe she'd be down to do that. I don't know. I just have to keep you guys updated. I have 0 time to do a regular video today. I have all the time in the world to prank Ian every day, but
apparently.
I mean, still, it's gonna be pretty good in the next 1 to 2 days. Then I'm back to YouTube full time, you know what I mean? But anyway, boys, just appreciate you for being here with me, and like, I feel like some people are like, oh, weird video, but also like, I'm so happy, man. I know this kid's happy as all hell, so thank you guys so much. Most exciting point of my life ever, you know what I mean? So thank you guys. Not a filler video, just a massive update video, man. So that's sick. Dude, thank you so much for being there. Guys, oh my God. I had panic mode throughout the whole thing.
Oh, right. You were having a panic attack for like a month.
At least a month of what am I doing? What is this going? Not about like the engagement of like, how do I do this? I don't plan anything, boys. I go with the freaking flow, and my girlfriend kills it with planning.
You remember when you had to get the ring shipped and you were freaking out about what if it gets stopped at the border?
There was a lot of stuff, boys. There was a whole lot lot of stuff. Also, shout out to Andrew, the guy who did the ring. He's been in the channel a lot. We'll give him more credit later. Anyway, there's the update, boys. God, I should have gone farther with the prank with you. This video could have been so much cooler if you started crying.
What? No, that wouldn't.
Here's a prank
that
on a
wouldn't be
prank.
cool.
For actually are mad at you for something you said.
Wait, what?
I'm joking.
No.
I'm joking.
Damn it! You're gonna tell me you didn't actually propose.
Anyway, bye. Thank you guys. Dude, I'm so giddy. I can't even think about doing a freaking video right now.
Yeah, no, you have no idea what's going on.
No idea.
Literally nothing.
Oh, I forgot to take off the damn bag. Thank you, brother.
Okay. What? That. All right.
Alright.
Alright, so Brandon just kind of wandered away there. He's got a business call of some...
business call.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Apparently he's still listening to me though. Anyway, yeah, I don't know where his mind's at. Obviously, he's got a lot going on his mind, but like... super happy for him. Big moves. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.